Oh my god, something just happened. This video will determine this car's fate. If it doesn't run after we're done buttoning all this stuff up, might have to take a different route. I don't know. But I did the timing. Got a new tensioner. Just gotta cover up all these wires here with the stuff, and just hook everything back up and should be good to start up. It's almost like nothing ever happened. Gosh, that looks great. Now, should I hook up the battery or should I go get some water? Just in case it catches on fire. I do have a big thing of coolant right there, but let's not mistake it for this gas and ignore my neighbor's dog. Let's hook this up. Okay, just ignore that annoying ass Rottweiler next door. And let's look at this little cutie right here. This little sweet little baby girl. Maddie. Oh, look at that. She's so cute. My goodness. Okay. Okay. Nothing's touching the timing components. We're all good down there. We're probably out of gas, but that's okay. I don't smell any electrical fires. Probably out of gas, but I mean, if this thing cranks, we'll be in business. Oh my god, something just happened. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's fucking running. It's not running good, but it's running. my God, you guys. We did it. Congratulations, everybody. You did great. Proud of you all. Coming together and making this happen. You stop crying, though, Missy. Yep. Thank you, everyone. Appreciate you all. All the support has gotten us to this point. And I think it's running like garbage because I don't have this PCV valve. And this is wide open too. So, yeah, that'd be the last part on the list. And heck yeah, we did it. So, yeah, I'm excited. Super stoked on that. Guess that means I did all the wiring right. Congrats to me for learning how to look at colors properly. So now we need to find a PCV valve.